Hello guys, this is Manish here. You're watching A to Z Indian. People who are having the non-smart TV, today we have a budget-friendly solution to convert it into a smart TV. This is a MI Box S 4K Ultra HD set-top box by Xiaomi. This has a built-in Chromecast, YouTube, Netflix and Google Play Store through which you can download many more apps. It also has a built-in Google Assistant. It has official Android TV. Let's do the unboxing and review today. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. So this is the MI Box S 4K Ultra HD set-top box. It comes with a free HDMI cable. It is powered by the Android TV and it comes with Netflix, YouTube and many more apps. It has a built-in Chromecast. It is a 4K Ultra HD set-top box and it has a Google Assistant. Here is the MI Box 4K Ultra HD set-top box. This is how it looks. And the box contains the MI Box S and a Bluetooth voice remote, HDMI cable and the power adapter. So let's see other side. It is the Android interface on your TV and this is how the Android TV it is. It is having a DTS digital output, Chromecast built-in, Google Assistant, quad-core processor, 4K Ultra HD set-top box. So the setup is easy. You have to just plug in the HDMI cable, connect to the network and start the streaming. These are some information available at the bottom. So let's take the knife and cut open the box. As soon as you open the box, you will see the setup box. It has a matte finish on top. It looks good and the back side this is, and it's roughly around 4 inches I guess. And here are the ports. This is the power source, this is the USB port, this is the HDMI port and this is the 3.5mm jack digital output. So the surface is a matte finish. Let's move inside the box. Here are some user manuals. Better read it before using the device. It has very useful things. Then next we will see what's inside. Okay, so all the devices are here. Here it is the charging adapter. This is the power source of the MI box. So specifications are here. So it's the HDMI cable which was mentioned free, and here is the Bluetooth activated voice remote. This has the voice assistant. So this is the power button, this is the voice assistant, this is the dialer, this is the apps button, this is the back button, this is the Android button. It has a dedicated Netflix button and it's the live TV and it's a volume rockers. Let's have a closer look towards the remote. So the remote requires 2 AAA batteries. The box doesn't include any batteries. So let's fix the batteries and check out on the TV. Once you fix it, you have to connect it with the HDMI port, and once you start up the device, it requires some basic setup. Once you do the setup, you can also set up the TV through your Android mobile using a Google Home, or you can directly connect to Wi-Fi and you have set up. So as soon as you see the device is switched on, you can see the Netflix, YouTube and Google movies. So these are the apps. There are tons of apps you can download through the Google Play Store, and there is a voice assistant as I mentioned. Let's go to the settings. So these are all the options available inside the settings. let's find out what Android OS it is. It is Android 8.1 Oreo. So I hope there will be a update soon. I'm sorry I don't have a 4K TV in my home, so I'm unable to show you the 4K video, but I will be showing you the maximum resolution which is good in my TV, that is the 1080p. So here you can change the time, date, and you have enough languages. For Middle East people there is Arabic, and for Indians you have Hindi available. You have tons of settings inside which you have to go through personally and check it out. So this product was purchased by me through AliExpress, and I'll be definitely sharing with you the link for that. And for the Indian people who want to buy, I'll be sharing the Amazon links. So this is the Google settings. You can have the Google accounts here. You can set up everything. This is a speech setting, that is the voice assistant. You can select the language which you want for the voice assistant. So they have different kinds of languages. It has inbuilt Bluetooth. You can add your headphones, Bluetooth headphones and Bluetooth speakers to it. That's a quite good option you will have, and it has a very good quality as well. I'll be showing you the sound quality. So as I mentioned already, the display resolution here I have already selected to 1080p 60 Hz. As I already mentioned that my TV is not a 4K TV, so you're not able to see the 4K option here. But if you have a 4K TV and you connect this one, it will definitely show you the 4K options. So let's check the other settings available inside, apps and everything. So you have Google Play Store. Let's see in the Google Play Store. I'll show you. So there are tons of apps, almost 3000 plus apps available. So let's check in the Play Store if Amazon Prime is available. Amazon Prime. As you can see, the Amazon Prime is not available in Google Play Store, but you can do the side loading. If you want to know how to do a side loading, just comment it below, so I will make a video for that. Let's check the YouTube. We will be going through our YouTube channel, and meantime please follow us on social media, Facebook as well as Twitter, Instagram, and also like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon. The video quality here seems to be very crisp, very good, but as I don't have 4K, I'm not able to show you. Sorry once again for that. So let's see how is the sound quality. So the sound quality was amazingly good. I'm very much happy with the sound quality. I hope you have liked this video today. We'll meet you soon in the next video. Until then, it's Manish signing off. Thank you.